This evening on Klein's Garage, we're working on a 2011 Passat TDI with a CKRA 2-liter diesel in it. I was having an issue with oil leaking around the valve cover seals on the injector here and leaking out. So in order to replace the valve cover, you need to pull out the injectors. So there's another video that I did with a brief overview of pulling the injector out and then what the process is to clean up the injector bore. And this video, I just want to make a short clip here around properly prepping your injector before you put it back in. So can you throw it back in dry? Absolutely, do it the factory. And if you look at the other video around Black Death and hammering like crazy with slide hammers to try to get these injectors out, and even in some cases pulling cylinder heads, proper prep for the next guy, which could be you, is key. So we have our new copper crush ring on the bottom of the injector, and we got a bunch of white paste. That white paste is a special ceramic grease made by Febi. And also on our O-ring, we have a little bit of O-ring lubricant on here. And that's just so when we put this down into that dry bore, there's no possibility of that O-ring rolling or tearing. And this is by Dow Corning's Moly-Koat. This is what I use. So to prep your injector for it to easily come out later, say you drive it for another 250,000 miles, and you know, hey, your injector's starting to go, or you got to change your valve cover again because they are plastic. This is going to significantly reduce the amount of force it takes for the injector to come out. This is pretty similar concept. It is the same concept as copper or aluminum anti-seize. However, that can't handle the heat. This ceramic can handle significant amount of heat. So, short clip, how to prep an injector before you stuff it back in the hole. As always, have fun, stay safe.